Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work, 1000 butta concept, very beautiful sarees. Very different combination color, real tone color here. Blue mixed with crimson half white, light blue mixed half white crimson color. And blue is mixed here. The back thread is blue. Very elegant one. You can get both glossy view because of the dual tone color. With 1000 butta concept, copper zari and silver zari is used here for the buttas alternatively, and we have 18 buttas in a row vertically, borderless, and we have the same color pallu. Pallu also have a very pretty copper zari work with plain blouse piece. You can see the warp thread, it is crimson as I said. Excellent color, a rare combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful 1000 butta concept sarees here with a borderless concept. Olive green base color. The complete saree is in olive green, pallu also. And we have tiny buttas design. Silver and copper alternatively used for the butta designing. 18 buttas in a row vertically. You can see the closely weaved beautiful handwork design, completely handcrafted one. With the pallu with the dazzling copper jari work. Only silver is given for the vertical borders and plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color and is beautifully hand weaved with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in an excellent color. The complete saree is in single color here. The pallu, the blouse piece and body is completely dark, deep forest green color. Something more than bottle green. Excellent color, deep color. The buttas are very visible on this dark base color. Very elegant one. Dark algae color also we can call. In Tamil it is called as pasam, pasa color. And gold and silver jari buttas are used here. Very closely it's been weaved. 18 buttas vertically. Elegant one. Borderless. And the pallu is also very pretty. Gold zari worked pallu. This is just the vertical borders. We have silver jari. Plain blouse piece is given in same color. Very elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, very elegant sarees in an excellent pastel shade color. Here we have a pink and lavender mix, beautiful color, a pastel shade pink, mild lavender tinge, very elegant one with 1000 butta concept. Copper and silver alternatively used here for the buttas and 18 buttas in a row vertically. Alternatively both copper and silver are used. All over the saree the butta work will come and the same colors given for the blouse piece and pallu also with copper zari work. And we have plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, beautiful saree in a running color combo. Pastel shade with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in single color, borderless one. And here we have a beautiful magenta pink, elegant one, dark shade magenta pink color with copper and silver zari weaving. The buttas are done in alternatively copper and silver, 1000 butta concept. Vertically we have 18 buttas and we have same copper zari work pallu. You can see the copper finish on this color, beautiful glossy finish with plain blouse piece in same color. The complete saree is in running concept. Excellent color shade saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in copper and silver zari work. Borderless one. Grand design. Dark choco brown color. Almost burgundy brown. With silver and copper zari buttas. 18 in a row. Weaved perfectly. Vertically it's been done. Excellent weaving, borderless concept, completely handmade. Beautiful collection with same color pallu. Pallu also have very grand copper zari work. Only the vertical borders we have silver zari and we have plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color. Beautiful color too with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with 1000 butta concept. Very rich and grand sarees here. Now beautiful green color. Elegant pallu here, beautiful one again, gold jari work with silver jaris in the vertical borders, and we have a very beautiful same color blouse piece. No contrast concept, completely in single color, running color. The saree color is also a goldish green. You can see a beautiful gold glow on the saree. Elegant green color. And we have 2 buttas, gold and silver. 18 buttas vertically, closely weaved design. 1000 butta concept, and the butta design is also very beautiful. The kanji type weaving. Completely handcrafted work. Borderless one with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc. Borderless 1000 butta concept sarees here in a single color, no contrast concept. Here we have an exclusive and beautiful color. A sweet pink is mixed with red to give a beautiful reddish pink it is. Pink shade is more. See, an elegant saree it is. Very eye-catchy, attractive color. With 1000 buttas, small buttas weaved perfectly and closely, and almost 18 buttas vertically in silver and gold. Very elegant saree. Buttas are very close and rich, gives beautiful rich look to the saree, with a pallu also in gold jari work, same color pallu, body color, and we have vertically silver jari worked borders, plain borders in same color. The color itself is an exclusive attraction, and the butta designing is also very beautiful here with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful 1000 butta concept saree, borderless version. Very elegant one. Here we have a bright and attractive color. The complete saree is in single color. The pallu, the blouse piece and the body are in the same color. It is a very radiant light green color here. Excellent one, almost neon green. With gold and silver jari buttas alternatively weaved all over the saree. 1000 butta concept. Vertically we have 18 buttas and alternatively gold and silver is weaved. A borderless one, completely handcrafted with a beautiful pallu. Pallu is also very rich and grand with both silver and gold jari, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent handcrafted beautiful collection in attractive color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a 1000 butta concept borderless sarees, perfectly hand weaved beautiful single color sarees here, no contrast concept. Here Ananda blue is mixed with green to get a very different and beautiful color, a blue with mild green tinge color. Very elegant one with the buttas in gold and silver alternatively used, and it is 18 buttas vertically. You can see it's a closeness, beautifully it's been done. Handcrafted work visibly is there in the saree, and we have a pallu which is very beautiful gold jari one with vertically the silver jari borders weaved perfectly with plain blouse piece. Almost a teal blue color it is giving with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful borderless collection, 1000 butta concept, very elegant weaving in both silver and gold jari work, a copper jari work. Here the color is also very beautiful, completely in single color. Pallu also, we don't have any contrast concept in this saree. A copper sulphate blue, excellent copper sulphate blue, darker shade. You can see the pallu design, copper jari used for the weaving, beautiful pallu with silver jari work, and the butta design is a very beautiful one here. Small buttas all over, almost 18 buttas vertically. Silver and copper is alternatively used. Beautiful butta design. It's a borderless concept with a plain blouse piece in same color. Elegant saree, very classy and elegant looking one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 1000 butta concept, very beautiful sarees. Here we have a very beautiful and rare collection color, pastel green, a pale green color, very different one, greyish green color with copper and silver zari, 1000 butta design sarees, borderless concept. You can see the alternatively copper and silver is used. Vertically we have 18 buttas all over the saree. The butta work will come rich collection with copper zari work pallu. Single color, no contrast in this saree. Copper zari work is very beautiful on this color with vertical silver borders, and we have plain blouse piece. The concept of the saree as well as the color is rare collection with authentic silk.